The question is often asked, what is Nature's Songbook? You'll often hear us talk about something called Nature's Songbook. Nature's Songbook is the long-term creative vision behind EarthSTARS SongLAB. Each songwriting retreat produces new songs inspired by real environmental stories, from forests and oceans to communities adapting to climate change. Over time, these songs become a global library of music about our relationship with the earth and our shared responsibility to protect it.